Car paint fading is a common problem caused mainly by prolonged exposure to sunlight, heat, and environmental pollutants. Proper care and preventive measures can significantly extend the life of your car's paint and keep it looking glossy. Parking smart is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your car's paint from sun damage. Whenever possible, park in shaded areas such as under trees, near buildings, or in covered parking, because shade helps block harmful UV rays that cause paint to fade. Parking in a garage is the best option, as it keeps the car cooler, protects it from direct sunlight, and helps prevent oxidation, keeping the paint looking fresh for a longer time. Washing your car regularly, about every 1 to 2 weeks, helps protect the paint from fading. Dirt, bird droppings, and pollution can damage the paint surface and make it more vulnerable to UV rays if left for too long. Using mild soapy water cleans the car gently without harming the paint's protective layer. It is best to wash the car in the morning or evening when the sun is not too strong, and always rinse thoroughly so no soap residue is left behind. Using a car cover when your vehicle is parked outside is an effective way to protect the paint from sun damage. A UV-resistant and breathable cover helps block harmful sunlight while allowing air circulation, which prevents heat buildup. It also protects the car from bird droppings, dust, and other environmental elements that can harm the paint. Before covering the car, make sure it is clean, as dirt or debris trapped under the cover can cause scratches on the paint surface. Ceramic wax provides long-lasting protection by forming a durable shield over your car's paint, helping guard against UV rays, dirt, and road contaminants while keeping the vehicle cleaner for longer between washes. It enhances the overall appearance of the paint by improving color depth and clarity, leaving a high-gloss, mirror-like shine. The spray also offers excellent water repellency, allowing water to bead and roll off easily, which reduces drying time and helps prevent water spots. Paint protection film is a clear, durable layer applied over a car's paint to protect it from scratches, stains, and other damage caused by road debris, UV rays, and environmental contaminants. It acts as a barrier that absorbs impacts, preventing the paint underneath from fading or deteriorating. It is virtually invisible, preserving the car's original color and shine while providing long-lasting protection. This makes it an excellent option for keeping your car looking new and maintaining its resale value. Consistent care not only preserves the appearance of your vehicle, but also helps maintain its value, ensuring that your investment stays in top condition for the long term.